Every year, tons of high-quality materials are lost due to undetected defects in textile production. Manual inspection alone can't keep up with the demand for speed and precision. AVTEX, developed by MACCION and CINPASA, brings artificial intelligence and machine vision into textile manufacturing, detecting even the smallest visual and dimensional defects in real time. Fewer defects, less waste, smarter processes. AVTEX improves efficiency, boosts customer satisfaction, and reduces environmental impact, all while setting new standards in textile quality. The technology behind AVTEX has the power to revolutionize not just textiles, but manufacturing processes across industries. AVTEX, zero defects, maximum excellence.